Most creators will never hit 4,000 watch hours, not because they cannot make videos, but because they don't have a real strategy. If you keep chasing views blindly, you're going to burn out. But what I'm about to show you is the mini milestone strategy, a smart step-by-step plan that I developed using my experience as a certified project manager. This isn't just a guesswork, it's a strategy applied to YouTube growth. In 5 simple steps, I'm going to guide you exactly how it's done, and will also give you a smooth bonus tip at the end. I have spent years managing complex projects, breaking big goals into actionable steps, and tracking every milestone to make sure everything is delivered on time. And I realized that the same principle can also be applied to YouTube. 4,000 watch hours may seem overwhelming, but when you approach it like a project with planning, milestones, and measurement, it suddenly becomes achievable. That's how I created the mini milestone strategy, a system that lets creators hit watch hour goals efficiently without overloading themselves. Step 1. Breaking 4,000 hours into mini milestones. Step 1 is all about perspective. Don't think of 4,000 hours as one giant mountain. Break it into bite-sized milestones, just like a project. For example, target 500 hours per milestone. It's still significant, but manageable. Once you hit one milestone, you've built a momentum. The next one just feels achievable. This approach is straight out of project management. Set measurable milestones and track your progress. It keeps you motivated and ensure you're always moving forward. Step number 2 is key. Focus on minutes watched, not views. Most creators obsess over getting thousands of views, but it's how long each viewer stays that really counts. Using my project management mindset, I analyze retention like tracking a project KPI, key performance indicators. For example, where are people dropping off? Which parts hold attention? Which sections can be improved for better engagement? Now some tips to increase your retention. Hooks in the first 10 to 15 seconds of your long-form videos, storytelling or tips throughout the video, playlists and series so your viewers can binge your content automatically. Even with fewer viewers, longer watch time per person stack hours faster than chasing viral hits. Step number 3. Leverage content types strategically. In project management, you always look for high-impact tasks, things that give you the biggest return on effort. The same applies on YouTube. For example, live streams are high leverage. 50 people watching 1 hour stream is 50 hours instantly. Evergreen tutorials or guides keep generating watch time months after uploading. Repurpose your content into shorts, clips, or playlists that funnel your viewers to your longer videos. And also, add your video to the related content into your short videos. The goal is clear. Maximize results from every piece of content. Step number 4. Compound your hours. Track your top performing videos like a project dashboard. Push them in series, optimize thumbnails and titles, or link them in your playlist. One strong video can produce hours repeatedly, while dozens of random uploads might even barely move the needle. Treat your channel like portfolio of projects, each one contributing measurable results towards the ultimate goal. Step number 5. Measure, adjust, repeat. Use analytics like project metrics, average viewer duration, retention, traffic sources, and video length. Each mini milestone teaches you what works. Then replicate that success for the next milestone. You're not just guessing, you're following a system, just like managing a successful project. Okay, let's make this fun, the bonus part. 4,000 hours sounds massive, but let's break it into minutes because numbers are quite easier to digest that way. 4,000 hours is 240,000 minutes. That's a lot of scroll time, right? Now let's look at it in bite-sized milestones. 240,000 people watching 1 minute each is 4,000 hours. 120,000 people watching 2 minutes each is 4,000 hours. 60,000 people watching 4 minutes each is 4,000 hours. 30,000 people watching 8 minutes each is, you guessed it right, 4,000 hours. See how the numbers shrink as the watch time per viewer goes up? That's why it's so much smarter to focus on keeping viewers engaged rather than chasing random views. Think of it like stacking blocks. Each minute a person watches is one block. You don't need to build the whole tower at once. Just keep stacking and eventually you'll hit the milestone. So remember, don't obsess over 4,000 hours as one giant number. Break it into mini milestones. Focus on minutes per viewer, leverage high-impact content, compound your hours, and track everything, just like a project. Try the mini milestone strategy and watch your hours grow efficiently. Drop your current watch hours in the comments and let's track your journey together. Hit subscribe for more strategies to grow your channel the smart way. Until next time, Shazan Salim Joji, signing out.